Maxis is one of the most enjoyable sailing experiences.
To feel how the wind is pushing a giant boat, to feel the sweet movement driven only by the sails.
The smoothness of sailing combined with the tactics and simplicity of tacking. Maxis is a note of elegance on the ocean.
Is the immensity, the weight of speed and movement.
A Maxis is a work of art, a recognisable point on the horizon.
From the origins, created with elegance.
From the origins, created to enjoy. From the origins,
created to
compete.
I am 𝗍𝗔𝗄𝗃.
I am 𝗍𝗔𝗃𝗃,
the captain of sailing yacht Stormvogel.
Captain of the boat 𝗪𝗏𝗃,
one of the earliest Maxis.
a Maxis built in 2013.